Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be getting into this look that I did for my client for her birthday. Stay tuned. Now, I must say, I love how this look turned out. She came in, like I said, for her birthday, and she told me I could freestyle. She booked a full glam appointment with me, so that's a lot of fun for me to get creative, play with color, play with some shimmer and some glitter. So right now, I'm just going to let y'all watch and see the process. I'm only going to be doing the eyes in this video. I do have a previous video where I show a foundation routine also. And I do the same routine for all of my clients for the most part. The difference is just the shades that vary for each skin tone. If you want to learn looks from me more in depth, then you can by going to my booking site, which I'll link in my description. I offer virtual 101s and in-person 101s if you're located in the Boston area. This look that I'm showing is considered an advanced look, but I also offer beginner looks, which would be soft glam or natural glam. Again, I offer in-person and virtual, so you can take the class anywhere. If you love seeing makeup content from me, then you should definitely be following me on Instagram, because that's where I post a lot of my client pictures for their makeup appointments through picture, video, and tutorials. I'm also sharing tips and really engaging with people more on Instagram too. All right, I hope y'all enjoy this tutorial. Be sure to leave me some feedback. I would love to hear from you in the comment section below. All right, I hope y'all enjoyed the look. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe for more makeup content. I look forward to seeing y'all in my next video. Bye.